TDK InvenSense ICM-42688-P 6-axis motion-tracking IMUs combine high-resolution motion tracking and ultra-low power operation in a tiny package. The accelerometer and gyroscope in the ICM-42688-P both offer ultra-low noise performance and high relative accuracy. The IMU has integrated ADCs and user-programmable digital filters and provides 18-bit accelerometer readings and 19-bit gyroscope readings over a serial interface that supports I²C, I²C and SPI, with a 2 KB FIFO and 2 programmable interrupts that allow the host to remain in a low power state and burst read data as needed. The ICM-42688-P simplifies development with an on-chip Apex motion processing engine capable of gesture recognition and activity classification, as well as ultra-low power wake-on motion functionality to minimize system power consumption.